Okay, the first math lesson that we're going to do today, Tuesday, April 14th, is comparing decimals. That means greater than, less than, or equal to. So we're going to tell which one's bigger, which one's smaller, and whether some are equal to another. And so we're going to look at our page. On your page you don't have this, but I redid it because I think sometimes if you don't understand decimals, it might help. Also, when I start thinking about decimals, I think about money. So let's talk about that. Now, when we were doing this, this is 2 hundredths. My decimal point is here, and a 0 in the tenth spot, and hundredths here. And then this is 2 thousandths. In your fractions, 2 tenths would be 2 out of 10. This would be 2 out of 1,000. So on that same piece, it's broken up into 1,000 pieces. This one's only broken up into 100 pieces. So my pieces here are going to be a lot smaller than my pieces here. And if we're going this way, we're getting smaller. So 2 hundredths is greater than 2 tenths. When we go over to this one, we actually did this one the other day when I had the pieces up here. We had the 100, maybe we didn't. Well, yeah, we did. The hundredths, we did 5 hundredths, and it was just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colored in. But then 5 tenths was 5 whole rows, because you can divide that tenths into, or the hundredths, into 10 equal parts. So this is 5 out of 10 equal parts. This is 5 out of 100 equal parts out of the same square. So the 5 tenths would be greater than 5 hundredths. This is when I start thinking about money. When I see a decimal point right here and 2 numbers like this, I'm thinking 74 cents, 74 hundredths, 74 out of 100, 84 out of 100, 84 cents, which is bigger. 84 cents. I want 84 cents before I want 74 cents. But you also have to watch your places. This is 74 hundredths, so 74 out of 100 things. One big square divided into 100. Divide that same square into thousands. This is 84 thousandths. 74 hundredths is going to be bigger than 84 thousandths. Even though this says 84, it's divided into 1,000 pieces, and you're only coloring in lots of teeny tiny little pieces to get 84. Okay, again, I start thinking money. In my head, I think $1, 2 tenths, 2 tens is 20 cents, $1 20 cents, and $1.25. Which one's bigger? $1.25. The last practice one. I'm still thinking money. I'm thinking $5. I realize that there's a 0 here, but it's a 0. It doesn't mean anything. It means 0. So I'm thinking $5, 13 cents, $5, 13 cents, 5 and 13 hundredths, 5 and 13 hundredths, same exact number. So they're equal. I would like you to finish the rest of the page by yourself.